As you know, IELTS Writing Task 2 has been the most challenging module for the IELTS test takers since the beginning. And most of the students struggle to get the desired band skill in IELTS Writing Task 2. And I'm here today to help you address some of the issues that students usually face. Hello friends, my name is Shanta Kumar and I'm a Cambridge certified English language trainer. I have been teaching IELTS for about 10 to 12 years now. So my experiences and tips and tricks will certainly help you. Not only this, let me show you, I have written a book as well on IELTS. As you can see, IELTS Super Success. And let me tell you that this book went on to become #1 bestseller on Amazon. You can see, you can check the logo as well, right? So what I mean to say that you are in safe hands. Now let me explain how these video lessons are going to help you or how it will assist you in achieving the desired band skill. Firstly, I have taken all 3 types of questions which are asked in IELTS Writing Task 2. And secondly, I have not taught you only the techniques that how to do it. Instead of that, I will show it live. I will take a topic in the video and I will show you my techniques and I will show you live that how I'm using this technique so that you do not only understand that what to do, you can also learn how to do it live, and that will definitely help you when you sit in the test or when you practice the IELTS Writing Task 2. So in my video lessons, I will start from the planning part and I'll teach you until the conclusion and also that how to revise it efficiently, right? So let me take you through the content that I'm going to cover in all my videos. 1. I'll begin with basic information of IELTS Writing Task 2 so that you can understand what exactly you have to do in this task. Second, I will discuss the evaluation criteria involved, because if you don't know what exactly the criteria of evaluation, how will you know what exactly you have to do in the entire part? Third, I'll teach you how to identify different type of topic, because I've already told you that I have categorized them into 3 different kind of topic. 4, how to plan the ideas for the essay, and this is utmost important, you know. Planning the idea is so important because if you miss it, your writing might not be on the track. It's the blood of the entire writing part, I'll say. So if any one part, I'll emphasize the maximum, it is the planning the ideas. Next, I will move to the real writing task, which begins with writing an introduction. So I will do how to write an introduction. Next is how to convert your planned ideas into body paragraphs. And finally, you will do how to write the conclusion part, right? And in the end, you mustn't forget to revise the task properly. And let me remind you, all these strategies will be shown with 3 different type of topics. So you can understand with each type of topics how these strategies can be used, right? Besides that, I'll also include some additional elements which can help you enhance your scoring in IELTS, and these are very important as well. Let me explain it one by one. Number 1, I'll teach you how to use cohesive tools effectively, right? Cohesive tools, because you get about 25% of the marks on cohesive tools only. For example, however, nevertheless, etc. Next, how to make complex sentences. And you know complex sentences are so important if you're looking for higher band skill in IELTS. Next is how to paraphrase the topic. That's again important because if you use the same words which is used in the question, you might get a bit less marks in the vocabulary and grammar part. Then how to use better vocabulary. That's again important. For example, synonyms or something else, right? And next, I'll teach you how to avoid grammatical errors, because if you're making too frequent errors in grammar, you're going to get less band scale in this. And finally, once you do everything, you need to practice it as well. So I'm going to teach you how to practice effectively, so that with every practice, you can keep improving your scoring. Well, now I'm confident that if you watch all these videos attentively and seriously, it will definitely enhance your chance of getting your desired band scale in IELTS, right? Thank you very much for watching the video, and all the best for your IELTS test.